Good afternoon, sir. We have several questions about our project, Mount Mayapay. One of these is about what is the background history of Mount Mayapay, sir?
Well, Mount Mayapay is a limited area right in the middle of the plain of Butuan. It straddles the two LGUs of Butuan and Buena Vista, and it is practically the most visible landmark from any part of the city that you will find. It's a tabletop mountain. It's not really very tall, it's only about 700 meters above sea level, but because it is situated right in the delta area of Butuan, a very flat area, so you can really see its prominence as a tabletop mountain. So essentially that is Mount Mayapay.
So where does that mountain called Mayapay come from?
Actually, nobody knows where the name came from, except that there is a theory of some that Mayapay rhymes basically with the Mayapay Empire. It was an ancient trading harbor where people in various places in Southeast Asia would secure their gold in what is now Caraga region. So that's the reason why there is a theory that the name must have been related